Hey Brian, this is Lee Terbianic, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, you're lucky because I read minds, and the answer is oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their own business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. Sometimes the only hesitation that they have to hiring someone is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. I have found by giving people a free, easy attack plan of actual things that they can do to impact their business has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands saying, I like you, Lee, please do this for me. So if by the end of the video you've liked what you heard and you can see I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that I can help your business with, just shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of the video you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you and do it yourself, that works for me too. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above the competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. So the first thing I want to go over is content. It has to be unique content. It can't be copied from anywhere. Google will flag your site for plagiarism. Google likes to see typically about 1,500 words to be optimized by Google, and you guys have about, I'd say, maybe 100 to 200 words, including like your reviews. Not much content on your homepage, which is affecting you big time with your ranking. Google likes to see about 1,500 words because there's a lot of keywords that you need to fit throughout this content on your homepage to pull in the clients that are looking for your business. Anyone searching for, plumber near me or plumber California, plumber Van Nuys, California. Those are all specific keywords which we'll get into. Um, so anyways, I did a normal search for plumber Woodland Hills, California, as you can see right here. Now, Google is broke down into 3 sections. Up here at the top is your ads. People pay money monthly for these ads to be up here, which can get very costly if you don't do it right and there's not a lot of search volume for your area. But that's your first section. Your second section is this. It's your GMB, Google My Business. Now, I did see that you guys have one which you're ranking, I think, 7th. So you're not in this top 3, which is affecting you guys greatly. And this is the organic section down here, which is your website, and backlinks is what will rank you in this. So let's touch base on your citations. So that's what will rank you in this GMB is your citations, your reviews, and your pictures, and anything that has to deal with your name being out in different web directories such as Yellow Pages, Yext, Facebook's even one. So I put your name into a tool I use called Whitespark CA. It's a local citation finder. I put Bryco Plumbing in, and I put Waterworks Plumbing, who is #1. Now this doesn't really show everything, but you see you guys have 46 citations. He has 30. So these citations aren't created equal either. So you could have 100 of them, but if they aren't powerful, good citations coming from valuable places, then they won't give you any power. So it's just a number. But what's good about this is we can go into Waterworks and see what citations they have and go and submit for your own business. See, they have a lot of good, powerful ones. And even though it says that, it's only showing about maybe 15, if that. So let's go back. So you guys are showing 46 citations, which is more than them, but see, a lot of them aren't very powerful, and it's really only showing about another 15 or so. So you guys are close. So, and like I said, a way to beat them would be to get a lot more citations, swamp them out, 100, 200, 300, and really overtake the competition, get some good reviews for yourself, and you'll easily climb the stats for this section. And that's really where you want to be, is in these top 3, because no one really goes to view all. It's I need a plumber now. Who's top? He's obviously the best. Boom, they click, they call. So the third thing I want to talk about is backlinks. A backlink is any other website that refers back to you. It's basically another website stating that your website is reliable and it's legit. So Google loves backlinks. So the more backlinks you have, the higher it will rank you in this section. I have another tool I use called Ahrefs, and it tells me an overview of everything about your website and your competitors. So I put in Bryco Plumbing, and this is your UR and your DR. This is your trust flow and your backlink profile. So you do have some trust flow and you do have some backlinks. You have 2.6 K backlinks coming from 238 domains, but you want to get this DR a lot higher. So even though you do have a lot, some of them aren't good backlinks, and it's, you know, some may affect you more than help you. You want to get this number as close as possible to each other, like a 35, 33, 35, 35 is ideal. They call that the 1-to-1 ratio. It's golden. So, and you're ranking for 176 keywords, and it's only bringing you 40 traffic though, because you're not ranked on #1 spot on either of those locations. So I put in your competitor, which if we go and look in the organic section, scroll down, this is a directory. First guy that pops up, Mike Diamond Services. So we put him into Ahrefs and see what he's doing. Mike Diamond Services. He's got a 43 and a 37. See that? See how they're closer together and a little bit higher than yours? But he has 2,000 referring domains, giving him 20,000 backlinks. He's ranking for 27.5K keywords, bringing him 40,000 traffic to his website monthly. Look at this traffic value. Almost $400,000 he's pulling in from this. So that just goes to show why ranking at the top and being there really pays off. But what I do is I go into his keywords and see what keywords he has, so we can sort of pick. Now, a keyword, this is actual terms that people are typing into Google. Plumber, Pomona, plumber, Inglewood. This has a 400 search volume monthly. This is monthly now. Search volume represents average monthly number, and this is a keyword difficulty. It's KD. That's how hard it is to rank for this keyword. So if there was 20 other websites with this keyword, this KD would be, you know, 15 or 20. It would take, you know, some time to rank for it because there's a lot of companies battling for it. But this is a 0. So you could easily plug this into your content and you would have 400 searches being pulled to you if we added backlinks to it and got you ranked at the top. 400 searches monthly just for that one keyword. And that's why you need a lot of 1,500 to 2,000 words so you can fit these. Google likes to see one keyword per every 100 words. So don't just throw a bunch of these in there thinking that you can keyword stuff, because Google will flag your site for that as well too. But anyways, 400 for that one. Plumber, Inglewood. This is all on the Mike Diamond Services. Plumber, Inglewood, 150 searches a month, and it's a KD of 1, so it'd be easy to beat him out for that too. We can just scroll down and see what other ones. Plumbing company near me, 2,800 searches. Plumber, Pomona again. Anyways, I would dig through this, find all those keywords that have high search volume with a low KD, and then that would be included in with your content. Plumbers in Glendale, California, 350 and 1. That's a lot of searches monthly that you're missing out on by not having these keywords in there and by not ranking at the top. So once again, we went over content. Your front page needs to have at least 15 to 2,000 words on it to fit those keywords in. Citations, you want to have 200 to 300 to beat out your competition by a landslide and never let them come back. So that's where you're going to get a lot of business. And 3, your link juice. You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you can be #1 across Google. I'm psychic, remember? So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call, 570-240-5257. Once again, my name is Lee Terbienic, and my phone number is 570-240-5257. I look forward to hearing from you guys, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.